The short one first.
Yes, she does.
Yes, he does. She
Have a bicycle.
has. I have. You have. He has. I have. You have.
He
He
has.
has. I have. You have.
He.
We have. She has.
No.
I have. You have. They have. I.
Have.
You.
Have.
You.
Have.
You.
We. Have.
We.
Have.
He.
Has.
She.
Has.
They.
Has.
Have. Good. Okay. Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I
Yes, I
do.
do. You have a bicycle? Yes, I
do.
do.
I
I.
have a bicycle.
Good. Great. Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I do. Oh.
Yes, I do. Correct.
I have a bicycle.
Good. Good. Ask me.
Do you have a bicycle?
No, I don't. I don't have a bicycle. What about something that looks like?
Motorcycle.
Yeah. What do you call a motorcycle? Another word for it?
Motorbike.
Bike. Yes, motorbike. Bike. Ask me.
Do you have a motorbike?
Yes, I do. I have a motorbike. What about you? Do you have a motorbike?
No, I haven't.
No, I.
No, I haven't.
Do you?
No, I don't.
Don't. I.
I don't have motorbike.
Good. Does he have a motorbike?
No, he has. He don't. No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't. He.
He don't. He doesn't have a bicycle.
Motorbike.
Motorbike.
Motorbike. He doesn't have. What about bicycle? Does he have a bicycle?
Yes, he has.
Yes, he.
Yes,
Yes, he.
he.
Does he? Yes, he.
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. He.
He have a bicycle.
He. I have. You have. He.
He has a
He
bicycle.
has a bicycle. Yes, he does. He has a bicycle.